Hello, my lovely grade 3 students. How are you? In this session, we are going to make a revision for our final exam. I just want to tell you what to study in each lesson. Our first lesson is about food, diet. Let's look at the food groups here and remember them. Okay? Try to memorize what do we have in each group. In group 1 we have grains and their products. In group 2 vegetables and fruits. 3 contains milk and its products. Group 4 contains sweets and oils, and group 5 contains meat, chicken, eggs, and some beans. From this lesson, you have to remember that groups 1 and 4 contain energetic food, group 2 contains protective food, and groups 3 and 5 contain builder food. So we get this result. Food is classified into 5 groups, and food can be builder, like eggs, fish, cheese, energetic, like pasta, butter, and so on, and protective, like fruits and vegetables. And finally, I want you to study, I practice more, and also I evaluate myself. Our second lesson is about the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. You have to remember that matter exists in 3 states: solids, liquids, and gases. A solid has a definite shape and can be held by hands. A liquid doesn't have a definite shape and cannot be held by our fingers or by our hands. And gases don't have a definite shape and can't be held by hands also. In this lesson, I want you to study these 2 pages of I Evaluate Myself, 110 and 111. And now let's remember the characteristics of each state of matter. These are the characteristics of liquids. Liquids flow, they take the shape of their container, they are incompressible, and their volume doesn't change. These are the characteristics of solids. Solids do not flow, they have a definite form, and they are incompressible. And finally, let's remember the characteristics of gases. Gases don't have a definite shape, and they are compressible. Finally, I want you to study the conclusion in this table about the characteristics of gases, liquids, and solids. And then you have to study these 2 pages of I Evaluate Myself, pages 120 and 122. 21. Our next lesson is about matter expands. From this lesson, we have concluded that solids, liquids, and gases expand under the effect of heat, يعني بيتمددوا, بيتوسعوا, and contract when they are cooled. In this lesson, I want you to study these 2 pages. I practice more and I evaluate myself. Pages 132 and 133. Our last lesson is about melting and solidification. You know that melting is the change of an object from the solid to the liquid state, and in order to melt a solid should gain heat. يعني أي شيء لحتى يذوب لازم يربح حرارة. نحطه بالصن مثلا نعطيه حرارة بذوب. Okay? While solidification is the change of an object from the liquid state to the solid state. يعني لحتى يعمل solidification, in order to solidify, a liquid must lose heat. كيف أي object بنخليه يخسر حرارة؟ مثلا example إنه فينا نحطه in the freezer. Okay? Finally, I want you to study this page. I evaluate myself. It's page 137 on your books. And I just want to tell you that I believe in you all and waiting for your great achievements.